I'm Dr. Rosa Oliai, and at present I'm the director of the Oliai Hospital in Gwalior. I'm at the same time the president of the Gwalior Obstetric Society. This is a structured program which I really like because it was so well systematized. Everything was in place, the days, the meetings, the review meetings that we had with my staff. So being with them for a certain period of time was very encouraging for my staff. Specifically, with areas of my old staff who were with me 25 years working. So they felt that there is no end in learning, and whatever your age is, you can always upskill and upgrade yourself. The myth that they had was that, we already know everything, keep on telling us, and we are updated. What's the use of having these trainings? Do we learn anything new, ma'am? This is the same thing you tell us. But I felt, which they realized later on, of course, was, to have a system in place and to have a structured program makes a lot of difference. When I have my new staff also who are joining us from time to time, I feel that the old ones who've done the training, they're telling them, look, this is a training we've done. And I do remember an incident where one of my nursing staff was being transferred. She was going to Delhi to work. She told me that, ma'am, can you write in the certificate at the hospital, so that I can feel that, I can go with this certification. So she was so happy, and she went to Delhi to one of the corporate hospitals and said, I worked in a hospital where it was Manyata trained, certified center. About the assessment, I must say that it is very good to have it. Although sometimes, there are certain person who will take the assessment, will tell them that you need to do it again. So the staff go again, read and come back. But that again is good, it makes them more confident about a certain topic that, they could fumble and they could not understand. So I think overall it was a very good experience, more so because it's online and it takes a lot of time. Sometimes we did have emergencies in between. So my staff were told that we'll take rotation. During that emergency period, some staff could be there and then they could catch up. We did an awareness with whole of Madhya Pradesh. In fact, Gwalior Obstetric Society was, initiating this. And we've had good response. People were interested and we have shared with them the registration forms, and it's very simple to apply. I think the amount is also so minimal that, believe me, if you want to do any other upskill training or anything, it's more expensive. Just paying certain amount the hospital pays and your staff will be trained will be a great opportunity. And of course, I would also say that within a city, even in a small town, the nursing staffs change from time to time. So if the hospitals are training their staff, if they change, there's an interchange of staff, they leave, they join somewhere else, at least you will not suffer. The hospitals do not suffer. It will be something helpful for the hospitals, all the hospitals. So I think it's a teamwork. We must help each other. We must try to see that the staffs are all trained and updated with the latest medications. And from time to time, I think the period of re-evaluation is 3 years. So if all of us could join hands and get upgraded, will be wonderful. So I had a wonderful experience, and I wish the team of Manyata all the best, and you're doing a great job. Take care.